Welcome back to the PLG123. Today we're talking about Google and Figma's big new partnership. Let's dive in. Figma and Google just announced an amazing partnership. Figma is going to be available on education Chromebooks to schools entirely for free. This includes Figma's core design application and its newer whiteboarding tool, FigJam, which we have discussed on the PLG123 before. Figma's often been described as the Google Docs for design, so the fit here is incredibly natural. And Chromebooks, for their part, have overtaken the education market and are by far the predominant device used in schools today, with over 30 million students on them. But if you know anything about Chromebooks, you know that Chrome is the OS and everything is accessed through the browser, which means that your options for traditionally heavier applications like the Adobe Creative Cloud are limited. So with this partnership, Figma fills a huge hole for students and educators, and I trust the uptake is going to be big. Plus, there is a really nice good news story here in the way that it makes learning design accessible to students of all backgrounds, which is great for STEM education initiatives. And to me, this partnership also signals a sea change in the design software market. Personally, I learned the basics of design on Adobe Photoshop in my high school computer lab. This is one of the core reasons that Adobe continues to have such strong market share decade after decade. Everyone was trained on it. We're native speakers of Adobe and it's a default standard. But now the sea change that's signaled by this Chromebooks plus Figma partnership means that future generations will be trained on Figma, and Adobe's dominance may soon wane. Well, that does it for today on the PLG123. Make sure to follow me for more videos featuring VC perspectives on today's top stories.